Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to Horse Retirement Adventures. Today's a hot day. Heat advisory 110. So what I'm going to do today, besides because I can't go fishing anyway, is I got some repairs in this new house that I want to get done. Some of the repairs I can't do, and I call my contractor, and he's going to send some painters out to finish it. They must have used non-shrink caulking when they did my crown molding, because you see where it's separating already. So they're gonna have to come back and just about everywhere in my ceiling where the crown molding is, they're gonna have to come back and redo all that stuff for me, because I can't really get up on the ladder yet, or I would have already had it done. Trust me, I'd have done it, because I honestly, look at all that. I mean, you can see where it's all cracked. So that's what happens when you use non-shrink caulking. I am going to fix something in the baseboard, because I've already done a lot of them already, but I'll show you what I did. Here's one in the baseboard. It's hard to get down because my toe still hurts. Anyway, there's a crack in the baseboard, and I'll show you guys how to easily fix a crack in your molding, baseboard, and etc. And etc. What I use is Kwik Seal. It's non-shrink bathtub caulking. Clear or not clear, I use bright white to match my baseboards. So hopefully, if you have baseboards like ours, they're bright white. So I use that. It bonds like glue, seals like caulk. It's paintable if you wanted to paint it. I'm not going to paint mine, and it's easy to clean up. What I do for my caulking situations is I get a nice wet rag as well. I cut this at a 45-degree angle, and I want a real small hole in there, because that's just a real small part I want to fix. And what I do is I just start right at the bottom. And we'll see if you can see this or not. There we go. I start at the bottom, and I just do that curved part real quick. And when you're caulking, less is best. You don't want a bunch. Then I'm going to go right up in the middle. Just like that. It just disappeared. So, with that being said, I just got this one little spot that I want to use my wet finger with, and that's right there. And don't keep going over it. Whatever you do, just do it once, and you're done. See how that fixed that crack right away? It's so easy, and then the cleanup is a piece of cake with your wet rag. Just like that. And she's done. That's my quick fix for cracks. And use Kwik Seal DAP. That's what I use. You know what I'm doing today? I want to show you guys something real quick. It's 2:25. I got to take this out. Look at that. I'm making caramel corn. You can find my recipe, one of my first videos on caramel corn, and then also on Collar Valley Cooks. Tammy and I did one together, which got about 50,000 views. I'm thinking that's probably because I was on it. So if you want to watch the original one, go way back, almost 2 years ago, when I made my caramel corn. I'm making this for my son Nick and his wife Mel, because they love this and they only get it during Christmas. And we're leaving tomorrow to go see them up in Virginia. So it's going to be a surprise for them. Thanks for watching this quick fix with my quick caulking from DAP Kwik Seal. I've done a lot of it around the baseboard already and around the doors that are already cracked, and it works out. This is non-shrinkable. It'll always look good. Thanks for watching Horse Retirement Adventures. Hit the like button, subscribe button. I am at 984 people, so I'm pretty close to my 1,000. That's pretty cool. Thanks a lot for all your support. Paul out. Toe's doing well. Well, the lack of toe is doing well. I'll be fishing next week. Paul out.